guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is going to be a regular voiceover because if it wasn't a voiceover I would have talked way too much. So we're just going to hop right into the video. As you guys can see, I'm just taking an aloe vera leaf and I'm cutting off like the piece that I'm going to use for my hair, and I'm going to cut that bigger piece into smaller pieces. As you can see in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I make how I use aloe vera as a pre-poo, just to like add some moisture into my hair and help detangle it when it's dry, because sometimes shampoo can like really strip your hair and make it feel really dry and matted. So this really like helps protect against that. So you want to cut the spiky parts off the aloe vera because some things will hurt your hand. Like, trust me, some things hurt. They're little but they hurt. So after that, you want to take each slice that you have and cut it in half, revealing all the ooey gooiness that you see inside, because that's what we want to use, that's what we want to get into, feel me? So yeah, cut it in half. Voice recordings are not really my thing, I'm not gonna lie. Like, I feel like I'll be running out of stuff to talk about. But after you cut that all in half, you want to put it in a bowl of water and let it soak for about 30 minutes to an hour, just because aloe vera has something in it called aloin, and it's kind of like a yellow gel, and it's like an irritant. That's why your neck or like your skin or face will itch or whatever when you use aloe vera, because of that. Like, it's a toxin. It's not gonna kill you, but it's a little itchy. So I'm just showing you guys that my hair is really dry and disgusting looking. Like, it's no bueno. My hair was in this like slick back for about a week, I'm not gonna lie. Like, it just looks messy because it needed to be washed. I didn't feel like doing it. So yeah, this was the outcome. There's like so much gel in my hair, y'all, because I applied gel for my wash and go, and then a week later I applied more gel to slick it back. And yeah, I wasn't moisturizing my hair, adding water, nothing. I just left it how it was. Like, as you guys can see, that thing is stiff. Like, stiff where? Stiff right there. Like, it's not moving. Like, my scalp was itching, my scalp was on fire. So I'm just taking my water bottle mister and spraying my hair with water because it needed some. Like, she was dry, she was thirsty, she was hungry, she needed some water. Okay, so yeah, I really like sprayed a lot of water in my hair, so we're just kind of gonna skip through this part. So after spraying my hair with damn near the whole bottle of water, I'm just going to split my hair into 4 sections, because it'll be easier to like apply the aloe vera, and it'll be easier to take smaller sections from the 4 sections that we're making. So I always take one half and put like the whole thing up, and then on the other half that I'm about to work on, I split it into 2. So you're going to see like I have a front section and a back section. And I'm just going to clip that up, put it out the way, you know, but you can work in bigger sections or smaller sections. It's totally up to you. Like, if your hair isn't as dry and as tangled as mine, you probably don't even need sections. You could just part it as you go. But yeah, so now I'm taking that back section and I'm just taking a smaller section, just because aloe vera is really good for your scalp, y'all. Like, really good. So not only do you want to apply it to your hair, but you want to apply it to your scalp, and you want to make sure that you're really getting into your scalp. And the only way to do that is to use a smaller section. I was singing a song, don't mind me. I think I was listening to some Pop Smoke song. That's my husband, y'all. R.I.P. Pop Smoke. They need to find who killed him, period. But yeah, I'm just adding more water to my hair now that it's in a smaller section, because it wasn't as wet as I wanted it to be. Mellow Mama in a deli, she was a wetty. This is why I don't do recordings, because I just be chatting. Okay, yeah, so I'm wetting my hair with water, wetting my hair with water, wetting my hair with water. How long am I gonna wet my hair with water for? I don't know, but yeah. So now I'm applying the aloe vera, and as you can see, I'm really like rubbing it into my scalp. Like, y'all see all that goo? Like, trust me, like, you want every single last bit of it. I know my hair looks a mess, because if you watch my last couple videos, you know that I try to bleach my hair and it failed. But trust me, there's a lot of gel in each of the pieces that you cut. You just got to keep poking holes in it. Every time you feel like it's getting dry, just stick your nail in there and poke a whole bunch of holes, and I promise you, more of the gel is gonna come out. And you really like want to focus it on your ends, the shaft. Like, you want to focus on everything. Like, just cover every single last strand of hair, like especially the ends though, because the ends are what's dry. So I'm going to talk about how aloe vera is good for your hair. Basically, aloe vera has enzymes in it which repair dead skin cells on your scalp, which can promote hair growth, and it leaves your hair really smooth and shiny, and it's a great conditioner. Aloe vera has a lot of slip, so if you don't have any products that provide enough slip for you to detangle your hair, or you don't feel like washing your hair to put conditioner in it or whatever, you could just use some aloe vera, because you technically don't have to wash it out. It prevents itching on the scalp, and it reduces dandruff. I'm somebody who actually has dandruff, and using aloe vera really helped me out a lot. When I first went natural, I used aloe vera, and it was like the best thing ever. So if you have really bad dandruff, I definitely recommend this, because the aloe vera leaf in the store is literally like $1. Like, I paid $1.25 for this, and it was like at a fruit cart outside my house, and that's where I got it from. But yeah, aloe vera is really good for your scalp. And you can do this every single day if you want to, but I don't think anybody really washes their hair every single day. So every time you wash your hair, you can do this. I am going to be posting a video later on in a week or so on how I make an aloe vera leave-in that you can use to, like, just refreshing your hair if you don't want to wash it. But do y'all see how that aloe vera is working though? Like, do y'all see how moisturized that part of my hair is compared to the other parts of my hair that I have twisted up? Like, do y'all see that though? 125. Where did I go? I don't know where I went. Oh, there I am. So yeah, now I'm taking a wide tooth comb and I'm just gonna gently detangle my hair. After like working the comb through my ends, you will see that the comb really started gliding through my hair. Like, mind you, I have a loads and loads of gel in my hair. My hair is like dirty. Like, it's been like this for about 2-3 weeks, and do y'all see how the comb is just gliding through? Do y'all see that though? Like, do y'all really see that though? And notice there's not really any shedding going on. Like, aloe vera is really the bomb, y'all. Also, y'all see how my hair is bleached and colored? Aloe vera is really good for that because it normalizes your hair and scalp condition. Okay, I'm sorry, I tried to read it off Google and it came out bad. But basically, it conditions your scalp and strengthens and revitalizes the hair with every single use. So you see how bleaching can dry out your hair? Well, if you use aloe, it's gonna like put some moisture back into it and it's gonna look good. So just do this all over your head. So once you're done with that, you want to let this sit on your hair for about 30 minutes to an hour, or however long as you want. You can even sleep with it if you want. You can use a heating cap if you want. But here I'm just showing you guys my hair, like, after applying all the aloe vera. Like, do y'all see the bounce, the curls, the moisture? Literally all from a plant leaf. Like, it looks amazing. And now I'm just showing you guys my hair in the shower. Like, I rinsed it out and my hair like still was curly. Like, it wasn't like frizz. Like, it's a little frizz, but it still has like some curls to it. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. So make sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe.